Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got another unboxing. Yeah, so this is from Jamie Acker. This is graven in dub copper, tungsten slash copper. I think it's a 70% tungsten, 30% copper ratio. So yeah, pretty excited to check this out. Not just in tungsten, but just the spinner in general, because I haven't tried it yet before. And yeah, let's get into it. But before we do, make sure you guys subscribe if you're not already, and also check out our channel sponsors down below. Use my link and code. You can save 10% off your entire order, and yeah, that'll be down below. And yeah, let's get into it. I'm really excited. I think there's just one thing in here. I think so. All right. So I actually had to cut that part out because I took out a fidget that I'll be unboxing in a future video. So yeah, or maybe like it'll be posted before this spinner. So yeah, you guys will probably already have seen the video. So yeah, that's it for this box. And yeah, so these are some buttons and then the spinner itself here. So let's check out these buttons first. Wow. These buttons are crazy. Superconductor. Oh my god. These buttons are even crazier. Look at this thing. Buttons are Dama steel. Let me see the weight on these things. $11.8 for the buttons and 75.48 for the spinner. All right, here we go. That is crazy sounding. I think it's a bearing in there. Oh, what? Looks like the bearing's popping out. One sec, let me fix that up. I'm gonna fix that for you, Jamie. No worries. There we go. Let's quickly fix this up. Wait, what? I didn't get it. All right, I think we're good. Perfect. Damn, that body is so thin. That looks like a really small bearing. Am I just seeing stuff? No, yeah, that is a way smaller bearing. Interesting. Yeah, I can already smell the copper. The brand is very loose in there for some reason. I don't know why. Oh wow. That feels amazing. Let me try these superconductor buttons on. I don't know. I like these better. They have a deeper dish. It's a good way for a spinner. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let me see the weight of this thing with these superconductor buttons. 71. Okay. And since this thing is smaller, I want to see the length. 47.7. And then the buttons as well. 17.9, so 18. Yep, same thing. But yeah, pretty interesting. But look at these demo buttons, like really, really crazy. But yeah. Spins good, so yeah, I like it. But yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video. Thank you, Jamie, for letting me check this out. Oh, the bottom of these superconductor buttons look even better. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So yeah. Okay, well, Jamie, this will be on the way back to you soon. I think I'm gonna take it out, put some Loctite around it, and reseal it. But I will not be doing it right now. That'll be for later, for sure. Don't have the time right now. But yeah, with these buttons, I love it. So yeah. Let me clean this up. I don't even have like any spinner that has those kind of small buttons that I can try to compare it to. Or even like I can't even put any of these buttons on this thing, right? Because it won't fit. That's what she said. Yep, the holes are just too small. They will not fit. But definitely a really cool spinner. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Again, make sure to check out the channel sponsors down below. Use my code Daily Dose of Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, see you guys next one.